You're watching CT Live on NBC Connecticut.
It is all about community for the team at Connecticut Trial Firm, and co-founders Andrew Garza and Ryan McKeen created a foundation to give back to those that they serve. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Taylor.
So excited to have you here. So tell me about your latest project, because it's really helping kids. I can't believe we're talking about back to school already, but it's time to get prepared, and you're helping families to do that.
Our latest project is Project Backpack. There are, in the United States, about 15 million children who struggle with access to school supplies. And some of those children are in our communities. So what we've done is we've adopted 2 schools. This is the first year of this project.
Okay.
And we are giving them backpacks and school supplies in their backpacks for the start of the school season. It's about 500 backpacks split between 2 schools, one in East Hartford, Silver Lane Elementary School, and Betances STEM School in Hartford.
So how did this all come to be? Were you able to get donations? To walk me through the process.
Sure. I mean, it's our vision over the next 10 years to give $1 million to various charitable causes, and this is a cause that's near and dear to our hearts. I mean, as parents get thinking about going back to school and how they're going to make ends meet, and we want to take one thing off their plate, one thing off their mind, and make it a little easier.
Now, you've collected all of these donations. Have you delivered them yet?
We will be delivering them. I mean, we are serving communities who don't have necessarily access to even transportation. So we're going to show up when their school has open house in August, and our team is going to be there and handing out these backpacks. And one of our lawyers, attorney Andrew Ranks, his wife teaches at Betances School in Hartford, and she was saying that the kids there, they're in middle school, and they use like hand-me-down backpacks of like kids backpacks, like preschool backpacks, that it's cool, but she's like deep down they feel shame about this. And so we want to provide high quality backpacks that are stylish. I mean, I love that blue and green, Whalers colors. To these students.
Absolutely. I mean, gosh, it feels like forever ago, but I think about when I went to school and how expensive some of the most basic school supplies are, and now you're integrating technology and all sorts of things into the mix, and so that's the last thing that you want families to worry about. So this is one way that you can help kids to not only be prepared, but to feel more comfortable in the classroom.
Right. Our goal is to just let kids focus on being kids and not worrying about anything else.
Yeah. Now, in addition to the work that you do in the community, you're also serving residents as well. And so this is really kind of just a holistic approach to make sure that, you're not just taking care of people legally when they need help, but that you're concerned about their everyday needs outside of whatever issues might be.
Yeah, I think for both Andrew and I, who are both the first in our families to graduate from a 4-year school or go to college, it's important. And we understand that there are families out there who struggle tremendously. And, at our workplace, one of the things that we can't expect people to do a good job if they don't have the tools to do it.
Of course.
And so if you're sending students off to school and they don't have things like pens and glue sticks, like how can you expect a good result from that? And it's our desire as a firm to really plant some trees whose shade we will never sit under.
What a beautiful statement. Now, if people at home who are watching and they're saying to themselves, can they get involved in some of the charitable work that you're doing, or do you just hope that local businesses or folks will step up and make donations when the time comes for you to do a project like this again?
So this project is fully funded, which is great. I mean, we've got everything ready to go, but I mean, we would just challenge other businesses out there to do this as well. I mean, we believe business can and should be different and do more for their communities, and that's our goal, and we think others should too. So we would just challenge other law firms to do the same, or other businesses to do the same.
Okay. And if people would like to learn more about your firm, where is the best place for them to get that information?
ctfwins.com. And if you're out there and you're in business and you're looking for this, we're happy to share exactly what we do to make this happen.
Well, I love that. A little bit goes a long way, and I know that families, as they start the school year, will really appreciate these donations. So thank you for the work that you're doing and for being here. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having us.
As always.